Dear friends, I welcome to Advanced Spoken English. Dear friends, you know how to become a fluent speaker. You must know if you know all the structure of grammar. Okay, but but you haven't practiced. Without practice, you cannot speak a fluent and you cannot become a fluent speaker. Why? The reason behind it, without practice, you cannot speak English. So each and every day you should speak English, okay, in front of the student, in front of your child, kids, and anywhere you try to speak, at least try to speak, then you have to become a fluent speaker. Okay, so dear friends, I have a book. Okay, in book has given 125 topics and 500 plus 500 plus opinion of the speaker. Okay, so today's topic I have taken from this book are pen pals no more in fashion. Okay, so yes, you can say before uh, there was a time most of people write a letter for making a friend, but these days totally changed and only one mobile each and every person has. Okay, so dear friends, if you want to communicate with any person, only call them, message them, or there are a lot of medium, for example WhatsApp, messaging, Facebook, Twitter. Okay, so dear friends, that days is outlet. Okay, and that is outdated. Dear friend, what do you think about related this topic? You must comment in my comment box, and after this I will give you a sentence initiator taken from this book, and apart from this I will also give you a beautiful thought. Dear friends, so don't move and don't close and don't speak this video. You will watch this video till end. Dear friends, let's move to that page. Dear friends, I just told you the topic of are pen pals no more in fashion. Okay, then as I have told you, you have to see the opinion or here. Now first opinion here, Nilima Jaiswal, student, Ranchi Women's College, Ranchi. Okay, her opinions: internet one can safely say sounded the death knell for pen pals. Earlier it was frowned upon to befriend Mr. Mrs. Animus, but internet has changed all that. Moreover, striking friendship on the net is more convenient. Okay. Next one, Monica, student, Ranchi Women's College. Corresponding with friends, vital to keep our relationship going on the internet is easier than letters. It is not that risky either, so it shouldn't surprise anyone if pen pals have gone out of fashion. Okay. Next opinion in front you, MD Ismail, student, Goshner College. People have become so busy in their life that they don't have time to make friends. In such situation, internet make it easier than pen friendship. Internet takes less time and no need to give your address to anyone. No, so people are going for internet rather than to make friends with other way. Next, pen pals are no more in fashion just because it is very time task taking and needs your address to keep in touch. Now people don't have time to write letter and then wait for its reply. Sometimes it improves to be hazards if you make pen friends. Next, Ajit Ghosh student is student G and H school. I agree with this point that pen pals do not exist nowadays, and it is just because the information system has developed so much that one does not need to wait to communicate with anyone for a long time. There are many other ways to keep in touch, such as telephone, courier services, and internet. Next opinion here, because Chandrakar, student DPS. Pen pals have become out of fashion because of the developed IT system. As internet come into being, people are thinking of different fast mode of communication. Chatting on internet has become an easier than a long process of writing letter to your friend. Internet is quick and effective process. Dear friends, apart from this, just I had told you, I will give you a sentence initiator. Here you can see it. Subject plus verb plus object. Anmol reads a book. I like movie. She does her work. According to this structure, you have to make more sentences and comment in my comment box. You can see a beautiful thought here also. Happiness is the experience of living every moment with love, grace, and gratitude. Dear friends, next I will give you more example of according to this structure. Let's see that one. So first question, first sentence here, the chef cooks the food. Okay, here the given chef is subject, cook is verb, and the food is object. Okay, according to this sentence initiator, you make more sentences and comment in my comment box. The students study their lessons. Student here subject, study here verb, and their lesson is object. Next sentence, our team on the match. Our team here subject, on is verb, and the match is object. Okay, next one, they are building a new house. Okay, they here subject, are building here verb, and a new house is object. The gardener waters the plant. The gardener here subject, water here verb, and the flowers here object. Okay, next you can see here, he plays the guitar. He here subject, play here verb, and the guitar is object. She wrote a beautiful poem. Here see here subject, and wrote here verb, and a beautiful poem. A beautiful poem is a object. The company launched a new product. The company is subject, and launched here verb, and a new house is object. Okay, next one, number 9, we are watching a movie. We here subject, are watching is verb, and a movie is object. Next sentence, he will paint the wall. He is subject, he is he is subject, and will paint is verb, and the wall is object. Dear friends, what do you think about this video? You must comment in my comment box. Dear friends, and you must follow my face if you watch in Facebook, and if you watch in YouTube, then subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.